Hello you guys. Today I'm gonna give you a hint how to fix a loose thread hole. See, so you know Chinese screw, they sometimes the hole right here, the thread in here, or a thread in here. Sometimes when you open and you take it out and you put it back in, the screw too much time and the thread become loose. So look like this one, like for example, I have on mine. Here, so when you screw it in, see it keeps spinning but won't go in, won't secure. See that? See that? It won't secure, right? So it's loose. Right? And I'm trying to take it back out again. So that's not good, and a very simple solution to fix this problem is if you need a toothpick, the wooden toothpick one, right? So all you need to do is break this in half, stuff it in there, and then jam your screw in. Jam your screw in and try to screw it in, and it should fix the problem. Let me demonstrate for you. So as you can see, stuff in the tube. And just go ahead and push it all the way inside. Right. You can see it's inside, right? So all you need to do is put the screw back. Put this plate back. Stuff the screw right in the middle. Right inside, and I'm trying to screw it in. It should work. Yeah, I can feel it's working because it's getting harder and harder. So try and use a little bit of force when you're doing it. Start jamming it. Let me just put it back in. Yep, that's also a second reason why I don't want to buy a motorcycle, because it's so noisy. Well, some of them is very noisy, especially those the Harley one. Those Harley ones very noisy. So all you do is just continue to do it. Screw it in. Mine's going in. You can see it's kind of hard to push it in, but it's working. I might need to use some force. There you go. So this one's on the way in. So you get this in. So after you force it in, a couple more. Now mine's completely secure. You can see that. So I won't get that loose problem anymore. And it's working great. So hopefully if you have a loose screw or the thread, even screw off the hole itself, that's how the simple solution should fix your problem. You just need to use at the beginning. You just need to use a little force to get the screw to go in, but after it's to have the thread started going to the wood, and and it's become a little bit easier, but sooner or later, if you screw it all the way inside, it should be secure and it should be good. So that's a simple solution to fix it. I don't believe in those thread sealage and those kind of stuff. Those squeeze sealage. Yeah, but this the toothpick, the wood toothpick, is it's a good solution for this kind of problem. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.